Well guys, Albert and Newfie here. I'm fishing off the dock because it's too windy to go out and boat, but the trout are biting really good. I just caught this one. Yeah, just caught this one and I'm just fishing off the dock here, as you can see. But they're biting really good. Yeah. So this is my second trout. The first one I got was too small and I let him go. So guys, although me and my sweetheart never go out and boat, she's still at the camper with our dog. But looks like the fishing is going to be good here off the dock this morning. Okay, I'm going to try and catch some more. Bye for now.